Malaki naman kasi rin ang COMELEC. You cannot really say na 100%, 80%. Pero sa hearing po natin na pag mag-hold na hearing si Senator Amy Marcos, I will make that allegation that COMELEC, you seem to be too accommodating with these unknown people giving you papers. And at least some of your EOs already know what to do.
May nalalabag pa silang batas, hindi ba ito impeachable offense?
Hindi, sa taas. Depende. Hintayin na natin yung what we can uncover sa hearing.
Sorry, dun sa ipapile nyo sa SC, kasama rin ba dun yung sumulan o talagang COMELEC receiving signatures?
Sulat kasi facts eh. Hindi trier of fact ang Supreme Court eh. So question of law lang tayo na why does the COMELEC seem to know what to do with the papers with signatures being given to it? So if it is big